Toolbox Talk. Alcohol poisoning. A single episode of severe overconsumption is usually accidental and can result in alcohol poisoning, unconsciousness, and even death. Alcohol depresses the central nervous system. As the concentration of alcohol in the blood increases, motor functions are impaired. With continued and excessive consumption, especially in those who are unused to alcohol, motor functions and coordination will eventually become severely disturbed and lead to unconsciousness and with risk to life. Symptoms of alcohol must help mental confusion, change mood and behavior, make it harder to think clearly, move with coordination. You unresponsive, cannot be roused, unresponsive to your voice, shaking or pinching their skin. Skin is cold, breathing is slow. Snoring, gasping on air. Drinking alcohol close to bedtime increases the likelihood that a person will snore. Teeth throwing up, blackouts or loss of memory, loss of consciousness, death can occur. Hyperthermia, body temperature drop, pale skin, unresponsive but conscious. Erratic breathing, slow breathing, skin blue, gray or pale. Loss of consciousness, blackouts, not working well, higher pain threshold, which may risk for injury. Paleness, blueness of skin. Seek medical assistance if you observe the following: cold, clammy, pale and bluish skin, unconscious or unable to be roused. What to do? 1. Keep them awake and sitting up. Try to keep the person sitting up. If the person must lay down, turn the head to the side to help prevent choking. Try to keep person awake. 2. Give them water. Staying hydrated. 3. Keep them warm. Move them in warm place. And offer blanket. 4. Lay them on the other side. Recovery position. 5. Check if they are breathing properly. 6. Stay with them and monitor their symptoms. What not to do. 1. Don't leave them to sleep it off. Be prepared to give information. 2. Don't give them coffee. Caffeine has no effect on your body metabolism of alcohol. Caffeine make you more alert during hangover, but it won't make you sober. 3. Don't make them sick. Drinking alcohol can weaken your body ability to fight infection. A weakened immune system can make your body more susceptible to going sick and slow down recovery. 4. Don't walk them around. Damage results difficulties with balance and walking. They are unable to coordinate muscular movements. 5. Don't put them under cold shower. Someone suffering from alcohol will suffer from lowered body temperature and caused hypothermia. 6. Don't let them drink anymore alcohol. Alcohol safety. 1. Keep an eye to your friends. 2. Have a backup plan. 3. Know what you're drinking. 4. Trust your instincts. 5. Don't leave a drink unattended. 6. Don't accept drinks from people you don't know or trust. 7. Check in with yourself. 8. Be aware of sudden changes in the way your body feels. How can I make alcohol safer? 1. Know your limits. 2. Eat before and during drinking. 3. Skip a drink now and then. 4. Avoid drinking if you are feeling bad. 5. Plan your journey. 6. Reducing alcohol for health benefit. Practical tips for drinking. 1. Limit the amount of alcohol you drink. 2. Don't drink alcohol on an empty stomach. 3. Drink slowly. 4. Drink only if you want. 5. Respect the right of individuals who do not wish. 6. Don't drive. 7. Alternate alcoholic beverages with alcohol-free drinks to limit the amount you drink in any 3-hour period. Remember, better safe than sorry is the rule for alcohol poisoning. If you have any doubts, call medical assistance. Drinking too much alcohol can lead to 1. Embarrassment, 2. Injury, 3. Accidents, 4. Health problem.
How long does alcohol stay in the body? Breath, saliva, 12 hours to 24 hours. Urine, 12 hours to 72 hours. Hair, up to 90 days. Blood, 6 hours. Alcohol poisoning infographics.